Alright guys, there's a new niche that is currently going viral and dominating both Instagram and YouTube Shorts. Specifically, there's this creator called Maxian.football who went absolutely viral with one video featuring Messi and Ronaldo chopping down wood, hitting 2 million views with that single post. Ever since then, he has been running the game, consistently creating reels that hit millions of views. Now, as you can see, this creator has only 19 posts, but is still achieving impressive numbers. This means that if you enter this niche right now, your chances of going viral are quite high, as not many people know how to create such videos yet. So, stay tuned because I'm going to teach you how to make those Messi and Cristiano sketch reels the easy way. But before I do, let's take a closer look at what this creator is making. Alright, so basically what he does is have a concept in his mind, in this case the farm, and then create separate AI-generated images within that concept, animating them with AI. It's a pretty easy job. Let's do it. The concept I have in mind, since Christmas is coming, is to take Cristiano and Messi on a shopping tour to buy decorations and decorate the tree. I have already created the video, so let's watch it together, and then I'll break down how I made it.
Yeah, boy.
Cheers!
Alright, so basically this is a one-hit example. And if you are creative enough, you can outdo this by re-rolling for better AI image and video results. But I'm not here today to show you how to make it perfect. I'm here to show you the way, so let's break it down. The first step is to go to the site called Ideogram to generate the pictures. In the prompt box, let's input a description for an image I used in my Christmas sketch. We'll go with what I initially used. POV front view of Cristiano Ronaldo wearing a Real Madrid t-shirt and Lionel Messi wearing a Barcelona t-shirt. The men are inside a car, with Messi driving while Ronaldo looks ahead. Before hitting Generate, make sure to change the aspect ratio to 9:16, as this is the dimension for Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts, and then click Generate. Here are the results we obtained this time with the 9:16 aspect ratio, which looks even better and of higher quality. To download this, click on the 3 dots here and select Download as a JPEG file. Now, to save you time, I'm not going to generate all the pictures from the start since you now understand how to prompt for them. So let's dive into the animation part. To animate our picture and create a video from it, we will use a site called Luma Dream Machine. Here, press the image button and upload your picture, then type in the animation you want to see. To achieve better results and avoid deformations, you should prompt like this. The car is moving fast, with a driving animation and a changing scenery outside the window as the car drives by. The man in the purple t-shirt is driving the car while the man in the white t-shirt is enjoying the ride. Maintain coherent facial characteristics throughout the scene, as well as a consistent body structure. Avoid any kind of deformation. Hit the Generate button here, and I will see you with the results. Here are the results, and as you can see, the animated video looks amazing. Here we are now in CapCut, but you can use whatever video editing software you want. As you can see, there aren't any special effects here, nor are they needed to go viral in this niche. All I did was create the animated scenes to fit the concept, add free AI-generated music, and include some free sounds that you can find on Pixabay to fit your scenes. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.